Have you ever felt a little more tired than usual, but brushed it off as just getting older? Or maybe you notice your hands trembling slightly, but thought it was nothing to worry about? What if I told you that small signs like these could be your body's early warning system quietly trying to get your attention? In today's video, we're going to talk about the early symptoms of common health conditions in seniors. Spotting them early could not only save you discomfort, it could even save your life. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we focus on health, wellness, and joyful living for the 65 plus community. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're watching for yourself, your spouse, or a parent, this video will guide you through the early warning signs of 6 major conditions that often go unnoticed. These signs are subtle, but if you learn to recognize them early, you'll be more in control of your health and future. So, grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's take this important journey together. Hypertension is often called the silent killer because most people don't feel it until it's too late, but it does whisper. Let's learn to listen. Early signs include mild headaches in the morning, dizziness or blurred vision when standing up quickly, a pounding feeling in the chest or neck, fatigue after very light activity. What to do? Check your blood pressure at home regularly. Write down your results and show them to your doctor. Limit salt, processed food, and alcohol. Stay active. Walking for 20-30 minutes a day helps lower blood pressure naturally. Quick tip: always rest for 5 minutes before checking your BP at home. Sit still, breathe deeply, and don't talk during the reading. Many seniors develop diabetes slowly, and early signs are easy to miss. But the earlier you catch it, the easier it is to manage. Look out for increased thirst and frequent urination, feeling tired all the time, blurry vision that comes and goes, cuts and bruises that heal slowly. What to do? Ask your doctor for an A1C blood test yearly. Reduce sugar and white carbohydrates. Eat more fiber, especially from beans, lentils, and vegetables. Consider a registered dietitian if you're pre-diabetic. Quick reminder: you don't have to be overweight to get diabetes. Age alone increases risk. It's easy to think, my knees just hurt because I'm old. But sometimes that pain is more than age's osteoarthritis. Warning signs include joint stiffness in the morning that lasts more than 30 minutes. Pain that gets worse with movement, better with rest. Crackling sound in your joints. Swelling around knees, hips, or fingers. What helps? Gentle exercises like chair yoga or water aerobics. Losing even 5-10 pounds can relieve pressure on joints. Hot, cold packs, over-the-counter anti-inflammatories, physical therapy. Yes, even in your 70s or 80s, it works. Did you know walking regularly is better for arthritis than avoiding movement? Forgetting names now and then is normal, But when forgetfulness begins to affect your daily routine, it's time to take a closer look. Pay attention to repeating the same question multiple times, misplacing items in odd places, like putting keys in the fridge, losing track of dates or getting lost in familiar places, difficulty finding words mid-sentence. Take action early by engaging your brain daily puzzles, reading new hobbies, getting 7-8 hours of sleep, managing blood pressure and cholesterol. Staying socially connected. Loneliness can speed up decline. Encouragement. MCI doesn't always lead to dementia. Many people stabilize or improve with the right support. Depression in older adults often shows up differently than younger people. It's not always sadness, it can be physical or behavioral signs to watch for. Loss of interest in activities you used to enjoy, sleeping too much or too little, feeling tired all the time, unexplained aches and pains, irritability or restlessness. Helpful steps. Talk to a doctor or mental health provider. There's no shame in asking for help. Join a senior center or group class. Practice gratitude journaling or mindfulness. Pets can help reduce loneliness and boost mood. Real talk. Depression is not a weakness. It's a health issue and it's treatable. A stroke can strike suddenly, but sometimes it gives early warnings hours or days before. Fast symptoms to remember: face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty. Time to call emergency services. Other early signs include sudden confusion or trouble understanding, dizziness or off balance, trouble seeing in one or both eyes, severe headache with no known cause. What you can do: know your risk, high blood pressure, smoking, cholesterol. Take prescribed medications consistently. Don't delay. Every second matters in a stroke. You've made it to the end of the video and I'm so proud of you for choosing to learn about your health. Remember, small changes, early detection, and regular conversations with your doctor can help you live better, longer, and with greater confidence. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand health guides, wellness tips, and inspiring stories made just for you. Your health matters. You matter. Until next time, stay well and stay hopeful.